children, now let us solve the fourth sum. 8841 divided by 52. Let us solve this one. We will first write it in division format. We shall write in division format. Here we have 52 here, and we need to divide with 8841. Here, if I take 8, can I divide? No, because 8 is smaller than 52. We cannot divide. So I am going to take 88. 88 is bigger than 52, so I can divide. Now, here 52 table, do we get 88? We don't know 52 table. So what is that we are going to do? We are going to first write it like this. 52 ones are 52. Now 52 twos are, what is 52 twos are? We will do multiplication here. 2 twos are, it's 4. 2 fives are 10. Now this 52 twos are, it's 104, which is more than 88. So I am going to take 52 ones are 52 and I subtract. Now 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now the next step, what I need to do, I need to copy this 4 here. Now 364 we need to divide with 52. Now here we can use one technique. We can do the same thing. 52 threes are, we can try that. Otherwise we can just go by estimated quotient. See here, if we can just forget about this and forget about this, 5 table, do we get 36? We get 5 sevens are 35, which is closer to 36. So 5 sevens are. Let us try 5 sevens are works here. 52 into 7. Always remember 5 sevens are what we got is an estimated. Sevens are is an estimated quotient. We need to multiply with 52. So let us try this. 7 twos are 14. 7 fives are 35 plus 1. 36. So exactly 52 sevens are we got 364. Sometimes it is just an estimated. Here it does come almost exact. Sometimes it will be either one more than or one less than. One factor more than this one or one factor less than this. So we can always try this. Instead of writing the full table multiplying with every number, you can try this also. So 52 sevens are 364. So you need to multiply again. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now there is another number to copy here. So I am going to write here 1. Now 1 is here. Can I divide with 52? It will not come in 52 table. So remember, what did I tell you in another sum, previous sum? 50, we will not leave it like this. Once we copy the number here, it cannot be left off like this. What we are going to do is 52 zeros are 0. We need to subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now we can leave this as remainder. So we can leave this here as remainder. Never leave it like copy and then leave. Always you need to put a 0 because this number is less than the divisor. So we just put 52 zeros are 0, subtract and then leave 1 as it is here at this step. You cannot leave at this step. You need to do at least 0 subtraction and then write the same thing. So quotient is 170. Here the dividend is 8841 and the divisor is 52. Now the next step what we are going to do is we need to check our division. So the formula we need to write quotient. We have to check our answer. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. If we do this simplification, we need to get dividend. Let us see if we get that or not. Quotient. What is the quotient here? We have 170, the quotient, and the divisor is 52. Next we have the remainder, that is 1. So if you do this simplification here, 170 into 52. So let us do that here, 170 into 52. Now 2 zeros are 0, 2 sevens are it's 14. So I am going to write only 4 here. 1 will go to hundreds place here as a carryover. Now 2 ones are 2 plus 1. Always remember you need to add this. 2 ones are 2 plus carryover should be added. So it becomes 3. Now you need to put a 0 because we are going to multiply with that digit at tens place. So ones place is over. So we just put a 0. Now 5 zeros are 0 again. 5 sevens are it's 35. So 35, we only take 5 here. 3 will be carry over. Now 5 ones are 5 plus 3. It is 8. So we need to add these. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. Here we have 8 as it is, we can write. Now 8840 is what we got when we multiply these both. Plus 1 is there. So I got 800. 841. Is our dividend the same? Yes. From here our dividend is 8841. So our answer is correct. This is our dividend. So answer is correct. This is how we are going to check. In this some children you can also do the same way. 52 threes are 52 fours are, you can multiply and write. You can do that also. Or I did here the estimated quotient method, like I tried to do 5 sevens are 35 like that, but you can write even the full multiplication and then solve this, not a problem, but this will reduce your work. Some guesswork is done here. Now let us see the ninth sum here, fifth sum. 5204 divided by 93. 5204 divided by 93. First we will write in division format. Here in division format I wrote, and the next step what I am going to do is I need to divide. Now if I take 5, can I divide with 93? No. So if I take these both, that is 52, can I divide with 93? No. This because 52 is less than 93. So what's the next step I need to do? I need to take 520 and then divide. So 520 divided by 93. Now 520, here 93 table we don't know. So what next we have to do? We have to write here either 93 ones or multiply and write. Otherwise we can try the guesswork like we did previously. We just forget about this and this digit. Now in 9 table do we get 52? 9 6 are it's 54. Now if I take 9 6 are 54, it becomes more than 52. So I will try with 9 5s are 45. So that 9 5s are, we need to multiply with this divisor. So here 93. So just write here 93. I told 5s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 9s are 45. Plus 1 is 46. Now I'll just try 465 is definitely less than 520. But before writing 5s, I just want to try if 6 works out. Now 6 3s are 18, 6 9s are 54, plus 1 is 55. So this becomes more than 520. So I am going to take 93 5s. 93 5s are 4 6 5. If you cannot do this guesswork, you can definitely do this 93 ones are 93, 93 twos are 2 threes are 6, 2 nines are 18. Like this you can start and do. You can write. But here I just tried 9 fives are 45. So I just tried with 93. But don't forget you have to multiply that 5 with 93. Complete divisor you have to multiply. Then only you will get the correct answer. Otherwise you can straight away do like this. 3 threes are 9. 3 nines are 27. 93 fours are 4 threes are 12. 4 nines are 36 plus 1 37. You can do like this. Now I got 93 fives are 465. I wrote here 0. I need to subtract 5. I will not be able to, so I will take borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5 and this 2 will become 1. Again borrow, this becomes 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. This becomes 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next step, I need to copy this 4 here. Now here we have 93 6 are 558, which is more than 554. So I am going to take again 93 5s are 465. I need to subtract. Now from 4 I will not be able to subtract 5. So I borrow. This becomes 14. Now 14 minus 5 is 9. This becomes 4. We need to borrow. This becomes 14 now. 14 minus 6 is 8. This becomes 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now is there any other number to copy? No. So I can leave it like this as remainder, and this is the quotient, and even the remainder is less than divisor, so we can just leave it like this. After subtraction only it's left over like this. Now this is dividend, this is divisor. What is the next step we need to do? We need to check our answer. So check. Now quotient, we need to write the formula quotient into divisor plus remainder is the dividend. Now what is the quotient from here? We have 55 into what is the divisor? It is 93 plus we have remainder as 89. Now we need to simplify this. 55 into 93. 3 5s are, we have 15. We only write 5. 1 will go as carryover. Now 3 5s are 15 again. Plus 1 is 16. Now we need to put a 0 because now I am going to multiply with the digit at tens place. So 9 5s are 45. I will only write 5 and 4 will go as carry over. Now 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. So I am going to write 9 here, 4 will be here. Now 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 here, 1 will go as carryover. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 will come here, 1 will go as carryover. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now I have got 5,115 plus I have to add this 89. Let us see what we are going to get. We have to add here 89. Now 9 plus 5. What is 9 plus 5? 9 plus 5 is 14. So I will carry over. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So it comes 0 here and 1 will go again carry over. 1 plus 1, 2, and 5 will be as it is. So the answer is 5,204. Is our dividend the same? Yes, from here the dividend is same. So our answer is correct. This is how we need to check. Only thing is you have to write either multiplication table of 93 by multiplying. Otherwise you can go for guesswork where we don't know 93 table but we know 9 table. So we just multiply with 9 5s. We'll check what's the closest number that we get here and multiply. Let us do the next one. Now let us solve 8th sum 2089 divided by 53. Here we need to solve this and check our answer. Now 2089 should be written in division format. Here we have 2. Can I divide with 53? No. Now we have, if I take 20, can I divide with 53? No. So I need to take 208 which is more than 53. Then now I can divide with 53. Now 208. Do we know 53 table? We don't know. What is the next thing we can do? We know 5 table. Let us try like this. In 5 table, just forget about this digit for a second and this digit for a second. Now in 5 table do we get 20? Yes, at 5 fours are. Now that 4 we will try with this number. So 53 into 4. 4 threes are, it's 12. 4 fives are 20 plus 1. 21. So 212 we are getting, which is more than 208. So I will not take this. As I told you previously, either you go for a factor which is 1 less than, if it is, this is more. So I am trying with 53 threes are. Now 3 threes are, it's 9. 3 fives are 15. So we can go for 53 threes are, which is 159. If you cannot do this guesswork, the best thing you can do is you can just write away 53 table here. 53 ones are 53. 53 twos are 2 threes are 6. 2 fives are 10. 53 threes are 159. 53 fours are 212. You have to do the multiplication and write the table. Next step, I will take 53 threes are 159. I will subtract now. Here I have 8. I cannot subtract 9. So I will borrow. Here it is 0. So I need to borrow from here. This becomes 10. If I again borrow, this becomes 18. And this will become 9. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4 and this becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. The next step what we are going to do is we need to copy this 9 here. Now 499. Now again we don't know 53 table. Either we can write full complete table here by multiplying. Otherwise, we can just forget about this again and just forget about this for a second. 5 table, do we get 49? No, we don't get. But 5 nines are 45, which is close to 49. So let us try 53 nines are. Whatever is 5 nines are, I always have to take with the complete divisor. So 9 threes are 27, 9 fives are 45 plus 2 is 47, 477. If I take 53 tens, it becomes 530. So I will take 5 nines are 53 nines are 477. Now 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 4 0. 22 less than 53. There is no other number to copy. I will leave it like this as remainder. This is our quotient. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. So you can write either the complete table, you can write by multiplying. Otherwise, you can do this guesswork. Now we need to check the division. Divisor in quotient into divisor plus remainder. So what is the quotient from here? We have 39 into what is the divisor? Divisor is 53 plus remainder is 22. Now we need to multiply these both. So I am going to do here 39 into 53. Here 3 nines are, we get 27. 7 is written here. 2 will go as carry over. 3 threes are 9 plus 2 is 11. I will put a 0 because I am going to multiply with digit at tens place. So ones place I will put a 0. Now here 5 nines are 45. 5 threes are 15 plus 4 is 15 plus 4 is 19. So 9 1. Now 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. 9 plus 1 is 10. This will be carry over. So it is 2067 plus 22. I need to add 22 here. 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. 0 will remain here. 2 will be here. So 2089. Is our dividend 2089 from here? Yes. So our answer is correct.